I'm tired.
Good morning to you too.
I'm tired.
You said that already.
I know. I'm tired.
Okay, friends, this is actually the perfect way to start today's lesson because David here has said, I'm tired 3 times in 10 seconds. And honestly, that's exactly what most English learners do too.
Hey, it's true. I only know one way to say it.
And that's the problem, because natives, we almost never just say, I'm tired. We say we're drained, we're running on empty, we've hit a wall, and today you're going to learn all of it.
So by the end of this video, you won't sound tired when you talk about being tired. You'll sound like a native.
Stick with us. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluentto, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David, still recovering from that opening, by the way.
He'll live. If this is your first time here, welcome. We make a brand new English lesson every single day, so if you stick around, you're going to grow fast.
And don't forget, for today's episode, we made a completely free phrase guide with everything we're about to teach you all in one place, ready to print or save on your phone.
It's linked right in the description below. Grab it before we start, or grab it after. Either way, get it, because you'll want to review this one.
Okay, Anna, I'm ready. I'm tired, but I'm ready.
Perfect timing. Let's fix that sentence right now. So here's the truth, everyone. I'm tired isn't wrong. It's just flat. It's like ordering food at a restaurant instead of saying what you actually want.
Right, and native speakers love to be specific about how tired we are, because honestly, there's a big difference between I stayed up late watching a show tired and I worked a 12-hour shift tired.
Exactly. So let's start with our OSE method. You know this if you've watched us before. First, we observe the phrase in a real sentence. Then we speak it out loud together. And finally, we extend it. We use it in a totally different situation, so it really sticks in your memory.
Let's start with an easy one. When you've had a long, busy day, physically or mentally, you can say, I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted. Say it with me, everyone, out loud, right now, wherever you are. I'm exhausted.
One more time, a little slower. I'm exhausted.
Good. Now extend. Imagine your friend asks you, hey, do you want to go for a run tonight? And you're just done for the day. What do you say?
Honestly, I'm exhausted. Can we do it tomorrow?
Perfect. Simple, natural, and 100% native.
Okay, next one. This one is one of my personal favorites, and it's very casual. You'll hear it a lot with friends. I'm wiped out.
Wiped out. Like someone took a cloth and just wiped all your energy away.
That's actually a great way to remember it. Everyone, repeat after Anna. I'm wiped out.
I'm wiped out.
Now here's another similar one, maybe even more casual. I'm beat.
Short and punchy. I'm beat. You'll hear this after sports, after a workout, after moving furniture, anything physical.
Let's extend this one with a mini example. Picture this. You just finished a soccer match with friends. Someone asks, want to grab dinner?
And you say, I'm beat, honestly. Can we just order in?
See how natural that sounds compared to, I am very tired because I played soccer. Nobody talks like that.
Nobody, ever.
One more in this group. I'm dead on my feet. This means you're so tired you can barely stand up straight.
Dramatic, but very common. If you worked a double shift at a restaurant, you could say, I'm dead on my feet. I need to sit down.
Let's practice the pronunciation together. Dead on my feet. One more time, a little faster, like a native would say it.
I'm dead on my feet. Now, here's something really important, David. Sometimes we're not tired because our body is tired. It's our brain.
Oh, I know this feeling well. After a long day of meetings, my body is fine, but my mind is just done.
That's exactly when you say, I'm drained, or I'm mentally drained.
Drained, like a battery with no power left.
Great image. Everyone, say it with us. I'm drained.
I'm drained.
Now, here's a really useful one for work or study. I'm burnt out. This one's a little bigger. It doesn't just mean tired today, it means tired for a long time because of stress or too much work.
Right. This is a phrase you'd use if you've been overworking for weeks or months, not just one bad night.
Let's extend it. Imagine a coworker asks, "Are you okay? You seem quiet lately."
And you answer honestly, "Yeah, I think I'm just burnt out. I need a proper break."
That's a phrase that shows real emotional honesty, and native speakers really respect that kind of openness.
One last one for this group, and it's a fun one. I'm running on empty.
Like a car with no gas left in the tank.
Exactly. You use this when you've been pushing yourself for days without rest. I haven't slept properly all week. I'm running on empty.
Say it with us one more time, everyone. I'm running on empty. Okay, let's put all of this together in a mini role play. David, you're my coworker. It's 6 p.m. We're finishing up at the office.
Hey, Anna, are you heading out soon?
Yeah, in a few minutes. Honestly, I'm wiped out today. That meeting went on forever.
Tell me about it. I'm running on empty. I didn't sleep well last night, and then we had 3 meetings back to back.
Ugh, that's rough. Do you want to grab a coffee before you drive home? Might help.
I appreciate it, but honestly, I'm too drained even for coffee. I just need my bed.
See that? In just a few lines, we used wiped out, running on empty, and drained, completely naturally, no repeating tired even once.
And that's the goal, right? Not memorizing a list, actually using it in real conversation flow.
Exactly. Let's do one more role play, but this time a totally different situation.
Before our next role play, I want to teach 2 more phrases, because not all tiredness is bad.
Ooh, good point. Sometimes you're tired in a satisfied way, like after a great hike or a fun day with family.
In that case, you can say, I'm pleasantly exhausted. It means tired, but happy about it.
I love that phrase. Let's practice, I'm pleasantly exhausted.
One more time, everyone, with feeling, like you just got back from an amazing trip. I'm pleasantly exhausted.
Now, here's a bonus phrase for when your energy suddenly comes back, maybe after coffee or after hearing good news.
I got my second wind. This means your energy returned when you thought it was completely gone.
Great for stories. I was exhausted around 3 p.m., but then I got my second wind and finished the whole project.
Let's extend it together. Imagine you're telling a friend about finishing a big assignment.
Honestly, I was running on empty by midnight, but somehow I got my second wind and finished it by 2 a.m.
Very relatable for anyone who's ever pulled a late night before a deadline.
All right, second role play. This time, David, you're texting me after a long day. Let's act it out like a phone conversation.
Hey, how was your weekend trip?
It was amazing, but I'm pleasantly exhausted. We hiked for 6 hours yesterday.
Wow, no wonder. Are you resting today?
Trying to. I was completely drained this morning, but I just had coffee, so now I've got my second wind.
Haha, enjoy it while it lasts. I'm dead on my feet just from a normal work day, no hiking required.
See how real that felt? That's exactly how native speakers text each other. Short, casual, full of these natural expressions.
And notice, we never once wrote, I am very tired, not one time.
Okay, let's do a quick recap because repetition is how this really sticks in your memory.
Let's go through them fast. I'll say the meaning, you guess the phrase. Everyone at home, too.
Ready. Number 1, a general, strong word for very tired.
I'm exhausted.
Number 2, very casual, short, common with friends.
I'm beat or I'm wiped out.
Number 3, so tired you can barely stand.
I'm dead on my feet.
Number 4, mentally tired, not physically.
I'm drained.
Number 5, tired for a long time because of stress or overwork.
I'm burnt out.
Number 6, like a car with no fuel left.
I'm running on empty.
Number 7, tired but happy about it.
I'm pleasantly exhausted.
And number 8, when your energy suddenly comes back.
I got my second wind.
8 brand new phrases, and every single one of them is more natural than just saying, I'm tired.
And remember, they're all in your free phrase guide with example sentences, so you can review everything we covered today.
So here's your homework, friends. Today, at least once, try using one of these phrases in real life. Text a friend, talk to a coworker, even just say it out loud to yourself in the mirror.
And tell us in the comments which phrase are you going to use first. I'm burnt out, running on empty, dead on my feet. We really do read every comment.
We do. And if this lesson helped you sound a little more natural today, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button because we post a brand new English lesson every single day.
And don't forget to download the free phrase guide. Link is right there in the description. It's completely free, and it'll help you review everything we covered today.
You're doing better than you think. Every phrase you learn gets you one step closer to speaking English naturally and confidently.
Okay, now I can say it.
Go ahead.
I'm pleasantly exhausted. From teaching, not from being tired.
See? He's learning too. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you in tomorrow's lesson. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take care of yourselves and get some rest.